After a big rain last night and this morning, this is the number 2 green, and there's our new lake in front of the number 2 green, and it goes on over by number 4T, really going fast under those 2 bridges. Well, here's our new pond in front of number 2 green.
Yeah, if you hit it here, you can play out of this.
Oh yeah, you could play out of it, Charlie. Just wade in there and hit the ball.
This is easy to walk through.
And here's a new pond over here between 2 and 4. And it looks like we've got a new tributary going around that mound. Well, this is on the side of number 3 green, and there's number 4T, and can't get to it. Now we're behind number 5 green, and she's running good. Look at that big log trying to move.
The main bridge is fine to cross.
Yeah, the main bridge is good. Look at this. We got rapids back here.
Whoa.
As expected, we have ducks on the fairway on number 6 fairway.